Roof Facts. Raising the Roof in Florida, a witty guide to roofing materials and why your shingles matter. Hey, Florida friends. It's Margaret, your favorite Space Coast realtor, sun lover, home matcher, and now your go-to gal for roofing wisdom. Because yes, even roof talk can be fun when I'm leading the charge. Whether you're eyeing your next home or standing under a roof that sounds like it's about to take flight in a summer storm, let's talk about what's above your head. In Florida, your roof isn't just a hat for your house. It's your first line of defense against heat, hurricanes, and those surprise sideways rainstorms that we all pretend to be okay with. So, before you make a move or climb a ladder, here's the lowdown on the popular roofing materials in the Sunshine State, from the longest-lasting legends to the cheapest cover-ups and everything in between. You can call or text me, Margarett, at 321-480-7662. You can start your home search on my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. Or you can take a tour with me virtually on my YouTube channel at Dream Homes Space Coast, Florida. So, our first roofing material, clay or concrete tile, the fancy pants of Florida roofs. Lifespan can be 40 to 100 years. Vibe, Mediterranean mansion meets hurricane hero. Price tag, we're giving that 4. Stylish, strong, and practically indestructible, like your grandma with a rolling pin. These roofs scream elegance while casually laughing at Florida storms. Resistant to fire, wind, and boring curb appeal. Choose this roof if you want the set it and forget it of roofing and have no plans of ever re-roofing again. Next, we have metal roofing, the rock star in a storm. Lifespan, they say it'll last 40 to 70 years. The vibe, sleek, tough, and possibly solar powered. Price tag, this one's 3 little money signs. This isn't your barn roof. It's a modern, durable, and energy efficient. Metal roofs reflect sunlight like a mirror at the Miami pool party and stand strong against wind and rain. Plus, they come in bold colors if you're feeling spicy. Choose this roof if you like your tones tough, stylish, and able to survive hurricane season like a champ. Next, architectural shingles, the workhorse of roofing. Lifespan, they say 20 to 30 years. Insurance won't exactly go with that. Vibe, classic with a glow up. Price tag, we've got 2 money signs. These upgraded shingles are the cheddar cheese of roofing. Solid, dependable, and good at just about everything. They resist wind better than the basic stuff and look a whole lot nicer. Choose this roof if you're all about balance. Affordable, long-lasting, and stylish without breaking the bank. Next, we have 3-tab shingles, the budget-friendly basics. Lifespan, 10 to 20 years. I wouldn't think much over 15. Vibe, budget smart and basic, but not in a pumpkin spice latte way. Price tag, we have 1 money sign. They'll get the job done, but don't expect a long relationship. Think of these as the temporary fix or the starter pack roofing material for investment homes or flips. Choose this roof if you need a roof that works now without emptying your wallet. Just know you'll probably be upgrading sooner rather than later. Next comes roll roofing, the quick fix queen. Lifespan, 5 to 10 years, if it behaves. Vibe, utility player, best for sheds and porches. Price tag, we've got 1 money sign for this one. Roll roofing is that one cousin who's fun at barbecues, but not reliable for long-term babysitting. It's affordable and easy to install. Literally rolled on like a big single burrito. But it doesn't offer much in the way of beauty or lifespan. Mostly used on low-slope roofs, porches, or utility buildings. Choose this roof if you're on a tight budget or just need a temporary fix on a carport, shed, or just give me a roof, Margaret situation. Last, we have composite roofing, the sneaky showstopper. Lifespan, 30 to 50 years. Vibe, looks like slate or tile. Acts like a superhero. We've got 3 money signs on this one. Composite shingles are made up of a mix of synthetic materials, but don't let that fool you. They're lightweight, long-lasting, and surprisingly hurricane hardy. Some even mimic wood shakers or slate, but without the price tag or upkeep. Choose this roof if you want high-end curb appeal without the weight, cost, or maintenance headaches of real slate or tile. So, new roof or new home? If you're sitting there thinking, why spend $20,000 on a new roof when I could put that towards a down payment on a home with a roof I actually love, then ding, 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 we need to talk. I'm not just here to talk roofing materials. I'm here to help you find a home that's already got the perfect one installed, plus that dream kitchen, space for the pups, and a backyard made for barbecues. Call me today, 321-480-7662. You can shop Dream Homes with Dreamy Roofs at MargarettSellsDreamHomes.com, and you can tour beautiful homes here virtually at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. So whether you're raising the roof, replacing it, or ready to trade it in for a whole new address, just remember, I've got the tools, the knowledge, and the sass to help you make the best move. Literally. Now tell me, are you Team Tile, Team Metal, Team Budget Shingles, or Team Margarett, get me out of here and into a house with a roof that doesn't leak? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for some more housing info, and have a great day.